Hi folks, this is our 2012 Forest River Georgetown. The floor plan is 378 TS. That makes it a triple slide. It is riding on a Ford chassis. Does have very low miles, just under 20,000. Feel free to take a look at the virtual tour here in the video and the number of pictures that we have up. I think you'll notice on the outside especially the reflection in the paint through the video lets you know the condition of the clear color and the paint. It is in excellent condition on both the inside and the out. It is on 22-inch 5 rims. It makes for a very nice ride. Short wheelbase, good turn radius, easy to drive. Feel free to call me, Joe, or Andrew at 800-669-1807 with any questions that you may have. Thanks a lot.